Hey everyone, it's Terry over at Sewing RV Style. And if you like this video, at the end, if you'll subscribe, like, and share, and maybe make a comment, I would appreciate it. It helps our channel grow. So today we are getting ready to head out on another adventure, and we got a keyless remote control RVlock for our door, and we got it from RVlock company, and it is the RVlock V4. Well, when we talked to them before we purchased, we have a Venture Stratus 291 VQB, which I love the bunkhouse, but that has nothing to do with it. And we wanted to get the keyless lock because you've heard the horror stories where there are tons of locks that are keyed the same, and then, you know, somebody comes in and uses their key on yours in an RV park and everything's gone, right? Well, we want to make sure that didn't happen by purchasing this lock here. Well, our door is glass. Maybe some of you have glass as well. And so I called, made sure that we got the right one, and they assured me it would be the right one. Got it in, right? Went to install it, and guess what? It doesn't fit. So we called them back, and there's just one little place that is hitting and needs about 1/4 inch taken off. So you will see the links of the still photos that I included on here, so you'll see what I'm talking about. So all we did was we called them back, and they said, well, if it doesn't fit with your glass door, none of them are gonna fit. Well, my husband Robert and I, we don't take that as an answer. There's always an answer, a way to fix things, right? And so we took a 4-inch grinder and we ground 1/4 inch off of one of the little rods, and that holds a screw. And lo and behold, guess what? It slipped right in. So don't think that, first of all, don't think that you can mess with your tempered glass door, because if you go to filing on that, you're going to blow it up. It's tempered glass. It breaks. So the only alternative is to file off part of your lock mechanism. And if you just take your grinder and cut 1/4 inch off, then it's going to fit perfectly. And let me find my little piece real quick, and I will show you that it is not a big deal. See, there's where the screw goes. And that is all that we cut off. Just that one little piece that we ground off, and the screw could still go right into the hole. Not a problem. So, watch the pictures. It will be self-explanatory. And leave in the comments if you need more help. I will certainly get back to you and give you more detailed instructions. But you too can have a keyless entry lock for your glass doors. It just may take a little ingenuity. And again, I am Terry with Sewing RV Style. Thanks for watching.